friends, welcome to ETKI Master. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are going to talk about Gulper Catfish or Blob Catfish and about its attacking ability. Naturally, they hail from Amazon River and are really hardy fish. At first look, they do not seem to have teeth in their mouth, but in reality, they have fine backward pointing teeth which prevents its prey from escaping. This fish is not recommended for beginner fish keepers and are advised to keep them separately. They grow from 12 to 14 inches in length and have a huge mouth and stomach to accommodate fish that are larger than they are. Gulper catfish is lazy, slow moving and boring fish, but it is always interesting to watch them how they feed on other fishes. Let's watch them all. That's all friends for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you want more and more such interesting videos on our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.